SNGx is up 9.92% in the regular session of today, the 1st of July 2025. The stock has actually given up all the gains it ran up in this session. Yeah, at some point, you can see that going by this intraday high of 2.7. Yeah, at some point it had a 100% gain in this session, has everything has just totally dissipated. Well, if you don't know or if you didn't know what the company does, the company is a late stage biopharmaceutical company focused on developing and commercializing products to treat rare diseases where there is an unmet medical need. Today, it announced that it has successfully completed the transfer of the manufacturing process for its synthetic hypericin active ingredient under its partnership agreement with Starling Pharma Solutions. The transfer from Europe to the United States included the optimization and the implementation of a commercially viable, scalable production process for this important active ingredient, which is used in the topical drug product formulations, Hybrite, and XGX 302 being developed for the treatment of cutaneous T cell lymphoma and psoriasis, respectively. Synthetic hypericin is a potent photosynthesizer that is topically applied to skin lesions. Soligenix and Sterling have enabled current good manufacturing practice CGMP, which means current good manufacturing practice manufacturing for clinical trials with the intent of establishing a long-term commercial manufacturing collaboration. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much what's going on in this regular session. So it has given up all the gains it ran up. The market. This is the daily chart. Underlying trend is strongly bearish. It hasn't reflected. It didn't. It's not reflecting the pre-market gains because obviously that happened in the pre-market and has since pulled back. And the daily chart only prints closing prices. It may reflect it, but it happened in the pre-market session, so it's not reflecting it. So we have 1.66, an upper projection, currently trading at 1.45. Yeah, what a pity. All the gains have lost. That's what happens pre-market expansion, and then regular market retracement. So let's see what we have. Yeah, we could still do projections anyway, regardless. So this is the 4-hour chart. You can see it's reflecting that it has 1.95 here. We have 2.7 here on Think or Swim. Let's see now. High prices, regardless, are still extrapolated by for its 3-period moving average. Okay, high prices extrapolated going all the way towards Thursday, and after that, a distributive contraction may play out. What do we have here? We have let's see what we have. 2.48 upper projection, 2.95, 3.23. Yeah, those are the potentials it has going by what has happened. And the probability of it printing 2.48 is there, given that it has already printed 2.7 in this session alone. Yeah, but let's see. Let's look at the 3-hour chart. Let's look at the 3-hour chart. Let's see. We have 1.53, 1.63, 1.68. Yeah, not long ago we had up to 2.34. We have 1.93, 2.29, 2.19, 2.34. This was as of yesterday, 30th of June. This is the 2-hour chart. Let's see what we have in terms of projections. We have 1.68. That's the only thing we have here. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. 1.68. Quickly glance at the 5-minute chart and see. Yeah, we have, I think there's a projection here strongly emphasized. We have 2.63, The algos are thinking or assuming that that can print 2.63, 2.83, 3.37, 3.70. I think we can note these. We can take note of these projections. They'll guarantee that they will print. So we have SNGx. We have 2.63, 2.7, 2.83, 3.37, and 3.70. Yeah. Indeed, also there might be other projections nearby. There might be other projections nearby. There are indeed, yes, we saw them. Yeah, okay, let's see what we have here. We have 1.46, 1.4 is 4, 1.44, 1.46. Okay, let's come back to the 4-hour chart and see. I think we had, okay, we have it 2.48, 2.95, and 3.23 on this 3.23. Okay, we can still include them. 2.48, 2.95, 2.48. Three point two three. Okay, they're indeed also much more closer prices to the current level. So yeah, it's the fundamentals are sounding good. They're sounding good. We could just quickly apply the market grid and see where it is relative to that market grid, and to also give us an indication of the possibility of of its potentials. You can see, yeah, market grid is between 2.43 and 1.47, and it's currently trading at 1.38 right now. So it has actually dipped below its market grid. So a rebound is possible. Rebound is possible. We have values here we haven't included: 1.47, 1.59, 1.71, 1.84, 2.06. As a matter of fact, there are prices that are nearby that they can that are in data projections, upper projections. Okay, just see what you make of SNGx, and thank you very much for watching this video.